The title of this book is Dr. Seuss's ABC. Big A, little a, what begins with A? Aunt Annie's alligator, A. Big B, little b, what begins with B? Barber, baby, bubbles, and a bumblebee. Big C, little c, what begins with C? Camel on the ceiling, C. Big D, little d, David Donald Do dreamed a dozen donuts and a duck dog too. A, B, C, D, E. Ear, egg, elephant, E. Big F, little f, F. 4 fluffy feathers on a fiffer, feff. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Goat, girl, goo goggles, G. Big H, little h, hungry horse, hay. Hen in a hat, hooray. Big I, little I. Ichabod is itchy, so am I. Big J, little j, what begins with J? Jerry Jordan's jelly jar, and jam begins that way. Big K, little k, kitten, kangaroo. Kick a kettle, kite, and a king's kerchoo. Big L, little Lola la. Left leg, lazy lion, licks a lollipop. Big M, little m, many mumbling mice are making midnight music in the moonlight. Mighty nice. Big N, little n, what begins with those? 9 new neckties and a nightshirt and a nose. O is very useful. You use it when you say, Oscar's only ostrich oiled an orange owl today. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Painting pink pajamas, policeman in a pail, Peter Pepper's puppy, and now Papa's in a pail. Big Q, little q, what begins with Q? The quick Queen of Quincy and her quacking quackaroo. Big R, little r, Rosie Robbins Ross. Rosie's going riding on her red rhinoceros. Big S, little s, silly Sammy Slick sipped 6 sodas and got sick. T, what begins with T? 10 tired turtles on a Tuttle Tuttle tree. Of course. Big U, little U, what begins with U? Uncle Ub's umbrella and his underwear, too. Big V, little V, Vera Violet Vin is very, very, very awful on her violin. W. Willie Waterloo washes Warren Wiggins, who is washing Waldo Roo. X is very useful. If your name is Nixie Knox, it also comes in handy spelling X and extra fox. Big Y, little y, a yawning yellow yak. Young Yolanda Jorgensen is yelling on his back. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Big Z, little z. What begins with Z? I do. I am a zizzer, zazzer, zus, as you can plainly see. The end.